Dive into the ultimate fan experience and connect with your favorite artists and fellow fans. Let's get you signed up for Weverse. First things first, you'll need to download the Weverse app on your smartphone. You can find it in your device's app store. Just search for Weverse. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll see a clear sign up or get started button. Tap that to begin your journey. Weverse offers a few ways to sign up for this tutorial. We'll focus on signing up with your email address. Tap the sign up with email option. Now, you'll need to enter a valid email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong and unique. You'll also need to confirm your password by typing it again. Before you proceed, you'll need to agree to the Weverse terms of service and privacy policy. Read through them if you wish, and then check the box to agree. Then tap next or continue. To verify your email, Weverse will send you a verification email. Open your email app, find the email from Weverse, and click on the provided verification link. Once your email is verified, you'll be prompted to set up your profile. This is where you can choose a username that fans and artists can recognize you by. Enter your desired username. This is how you'll appear in the community. You can also tap the profile picture area to upload a photo, making your profile more personal. Finally, select your country from the drop-down menu. Once you've filled in all the required information, tap Done or Complete. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Weverse. You're now ready to explore artist posts, join fan communities, and engage like never before.